Welcome back to my channel. Don't tell me my earrings came off. Okay, but today we will be walking my dog. I'm going upstairs because I have to get my shoes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. These are my Nana shoes. Not mine. We're going stairs. Now I have to get my dog's leash in a bag, just in case she has to do the number 2. Okay, so I have a bag. Have her leash. She's outside already with my uncle. So we're just... Hey! Hey, Princess! I don't need those. Okay, so I'm gonna put her on her leash. And I'll be right back. Well, yeah. Did you guys see that? Come on. Little wiener dog. Hold on. I have to show you guys my daughter. Okay. So we got her leash on. We got the bag. Okay. Princess is on the opposite side of me. This is some good lighting. So I'm gonna make a thumbnail. Okay, over here. Okay. I like this lighting. I'm gonna choose different thumbnails because all of these pictures are cute. Okay, I just did 3 thumbnails, and like when I get done editing this video, then I am going to make sure I put one of those thumbnails that I just did on the video. And make sure you subscribe because, like, guys, I need more subscribers and likes on my video. Well, yeah, I do. I really do. Princess, for real? Princess, just letting you guys know, I am using a phone to do this. Princess, get your... Girl. Okay. I am using a phone. Princess. Yeah, I am using a phone to do this. This morning it was... Hold on, let me take a thumbnail. Okay. I just did a thumbnail. And I think the last picture that I just took is going to be the thumbnail. Because that is some good lighting. Like, really good. Princess keeps on pink. Hold on, let me do another one. I just did another one. I keep on making thumbnails and, like, doing the same face. Like, what? I'm gonna finish editing my other video because I don't think I put a lot of effort in it. I really don't think so. And yeah. But right now, I have to finish making this video. Princess down there. Princess. love her. But she's gotten so fat. I said gotten. I meant to say she got so fat, like over the summer. Well, you know, it's still the summer, you know. But you guys know what I mean. She's got so fat, like, you guys know what I'm trying to say. But I don't. I really don't. Okay. She peed like 5 times. I am so hot, so I'm just gonna like sit down for a little. I'm sitting down because like I'm hot. And like I need a break from walking. Ooh. But look at this. All these flies is making me mad. Okay. Okay. I got back up because I got hotter. I think I'm gonna walk her in the street now. So we're going to get over in the street. Getting in the street. Okay. Okay. She peed like 6 times now. My dog is my daughter. The most thing I love about my daughter is her eyes. Because her eyes are hazel. Hazel! They're so pretty. Tell me what she's doing right now. Princess, you're making me get in the grass. I have a feeling she's finna boo-boo. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys because she is boo-booing right now. I'm finna make another thumbnail. I'll be right back. Okay. I just made the thumbnail. Princess, stay. Stay. I'm recording? Oh. I almost stepped in her dog doo-doo. Ew. Ew. Okay. I picked her dog doo-doo up in this plastic bag. Okay. She finally boo-booed. I'm recording with my other hand. That's the hand that I was recording with, that I was just recording with, was tired. I took so many pictures when I was while making this video because I'm trying to make a cute thumbnail with good lighting, and all of these pictures with good lighting are so cute. So like I don't know which one to do. Like I took like 6 of them when I was making this video. While making this video, and like they're all so cute. But I think I know which thumbnail I'm gonna pick. And you guys will see when you watch this video. Okay, I just got done walking her. So I'll see you guys later on today. Bye.